devices, and so on. So here's a pause on that first one. Rail transportation, safety critical systems, train protection systems, signalling systems. These are now becoming much more open to be able to create a mechanism by which people can apply their software to see how it meets that standard. Medical's a slightly different sort of market for using and undertaking a process that is easily understood and achievable. Rather than trying to hit lofty goals, we're actually...
Anything going on security, the reactor could burst. So that's why the nuclear guys are telling you. And internal element also can put something into your system. Creating expertise is the biggest challenge.
You don't pick maintenance at one side and not so well aware public on other side. That gap between is important.
Generally what happens, if suppose one of the flight control computers, because the other day yesterday, I just replaced the card and put it on the aircraft. I said nothing to it. Because where is the guarantee that it's going to work? So an acceptance test is these documents. That is going to ensure you a safe flight. So now if you look at the development cycle of the just through these things. So, we start with the concept stage, because when we started
in the UK. These days we're a provider of software quality, compliance, management and testing solutions. But our original remit that our founder, Professor Mike Hennell, undertook was to start to analyze and understand source code and start to see how we could measure source code to find software defects and how we can start to measure the quality of testedness of software. So in '75 the world was quite different, but we started to adapt some of the academic based strategies and analysis techniques such as static data flow analysis, such as structural coverage, and try and actually apply these in a way that people can use. And one of the main thrusts of LDRA's work is not just to say, hey, you could do this, you could do this, you could do this, but actually be much more prescriptive about how you might do it and provide tooling to help you undertake that. If we look about what a lot of people do and say in our industry, a lot of it is all very good, it's good ambitious, it's, hey, wouldn't it be great if, how about looking at something else? But actually getting people to be able to do it in a cost-effective and appropriate way, in a way that can be used to show compliance to international standards. That's where LDRA really starts to come into its own. Of course, we're an ISO 9001 certified company. We were certified by the British Standards Institute probably over 20 years ago now. We've been certified for use in safety-related software developments for 61508, 5128, and ISO 26262. So automotive, industrial, nuclear. And the main thrust of a lot of the work over the years that LDRA has been involved in is things like military, aerospace, both civil and military, and things like missile systems, satellite systems.